Hello ladies and gents, I'm Gergo from Hungary, a Gemar ambassador and maybe a Gemar Creator master, and today it's another Monday with another video tutorial from us. And if you're new in the Gemar Creator, so you just joined during the last few Gemar days, hello and welcome. I really hope you're going to have a lot of fun and a lot of usable knowledge and material to sell as a Gemar creator. So I'm here to show you another maybe Christmas themed, especially Christmas themed balloon decorations. But before I do anything, I just really want to not show you but tell you a little story about I'm not really sure it's a Hungarian tradition because I came from Hungary, but I have never seen anything like this anywhere in the world, and believe me, I traveled a lot. So today, no, actually 4 weeks before Christmas, we make a wreath with evergreen leaves and everything, and we put 4 candles on it. 4, okay? And we start to lit one candle 4 weeks, actually 4 Sunday before Christmas. We lit the second one with the previous one as well on the second Sunday, and the third Sunday, and the fourth we're going to lit just at Christmas. So when it's Christmas, 4 candles, every candles are lit, and it's one by one, really building up the Christmas spirit. And I think it's really beautiful to wait for Christmas and have more and more and more light on your table, on the dining table, on each Sunday. The families gather together and lit the candles together and have more and more light in their life. So we're gonna create something like this in Gemar Creator with a wreath and with candles, just to tell you this feeling about waiting for Christmas and waiting for the miracle. So without anything further to add, let's just jump right into the Gemar Creator. As always, you can see on my previous design, I'm going to click and create an empty project. We're going to use round garland, and this is going to be so this one is going to be really quick but rather usable tutorial just for you. Okay, so let's go back to Gemar Creator. No, I left it in inches because okay, so let's go to profile, and instead of inches we're going to use centimeters. Okay, I did it in inches for a show at the Gemar Day, but I prefer so radius. Important thing, when you do a round garland, you set not the diameter, you set the radius. So if you want 2 meters, the radius is just half, so it's 100. So right now we're gonna do why not, let's do it 90, so it's almost like 2 meters. Okay, but instead of A50 you're gonna use G110 standard, and we're gonna use green, like dark green. Okay, not we can use emerald green. That's a really beautiful color. Okay, so emerald green, 9-inch-ish inflation. Okay, let's create this beautiful project and we will see how it looks. Okay, just like that. I really want to add some spiral to it with emerald and maybe olive green, so it's really like an evergreen, a tired evergreen kind of thing. It's gonna look really good. We just need a little internet connection here. Just right there. Okay, so before I unlock the preset here, so I'm not gonna unlock the preset right now, but what I'm going to do is just holding down the shift so I can select multiple balloons at the same time, so we can actually create a spiral shape here, just like that. So instead of standard, we're gonna go to natural, and this one. It's so beautiful. So just simple as that. That's why I did not unlock the preset, because right now I have a direct connection between the upper image and here at the let's say it's step-by-step instructions, maybe that's the right word for it. I really hope I'm not messing this up. Okay guys, not that one but this one. So natural and olive green. It looks so amazingly good. So the Gemar Creator not just show you on the decoration, it actually tells you how to do it with the proper measurements and with literally everything. So it really helps you a lot. Okay, so one last natural and olive green. Yes, perfect. Don't mind that at the top part it's not really interlocking the two spiral. It's going to look good at the end, so I'm going to unlock the preset. Okay, perfect. So we don't need this part, and of course we don't need this part as well, so we can have just this. I'm gonna make a group out of it. Okay, so height is a little bit too much, so I'm gonna just do like this. Okay, let's go to the elements. So before we do anything, I'm going to add one foil balloon here as a bow to the top. Okay, oops, not that, but this one. Make it just something like this. And if you don't really know what's the size, you can go to accessories. We have extras, we have meters here, and this one is actually 1 meter, so you can properly measure your foil balloon to be like, I don't know, 80 centimeters or 60, whatever. Yeah, that's looks very good to me. Okay, so we will need 2 of this. I'm going to rotate this 90 degree, and this is 270. That's perfect. This goes here. This goes right here. A little bit, maybe it's a little bit tilted. Not perfectly aligned. So yep, something like this. Okay, now it's good. I just flipped that. Okay, I'm going to go to the plain latex, G110 standard. I'm looking for the red, or well, let's add burgundy. Yep, burgundy looks good on here. So let's add a little bow coverage, just 2 foil balloons tied together. So I'm gonna make a group from this as well, so this can go at the top. It's really something. Okay, we can add some reds to it, just like that. Okay, and here's an important, not important, but really good thing. This one is a 12-inch round balloon. So right now it's selected. I go to the paint mode, and what I can do right now, if I zoom in, I can just add a little small details to it. It's gonna vary its sizes in different sizes. Okay, that's good. Go back to paint mode. Okay, and maybe we can add a 50 shiny gold, just the tiny ones. I'm gonna do exactly the same. So it's right now it's in paint mode, and I can literally add just a few drops to it. It's just like an organic, is just tied there. Okay, perfect. So we don't need the reference, and voila. Let's see the timer. It was maybe 5 minutes or even less, and it's amazingly good, amazingly beautiful. So if you want to do something else, you can change the colors, whatever. colors you want to use. But so it's saved online. You don't need to save anything. We just need to do a candle. Okay, I'm gonna create a new project, a balloon column. The height is gonna be maybe just I don't know. Let's do a proper candle. Okay, so the height is gonna be 150 centimeters. Okay, customize the balloons. A little bit smaller than these. Okay, and we're gonna use not actually white. Maybe we can use shell or butter. Yes, let's use butter. Okay, so it's not perfectly white. Looks good to me. Looks really good to me. Okay, so what we're gonna do here, we're gonna unlock the preset, delete everything else, and leave just the candle. Okay, so unlock the preset. Okay, voila, we don't need this, we don't need this clusters, we don't need this here. So we can have this, we can make a group, we can center and middle. Perfect. So width is 70, that's good. Height is just 200, no, 180, even less, 160. Perfect. So right now we have just the base of the candle. Okay, so I'm going to export this project as a PNG file so I can have the candle, just the candle, nothing else. Go back to the breadth, which is really good, and I can add an image. I'm gonna add this candle. Perfect. We can add one here, we can add one more here. Let's see what else I can do. What if I put these right next to each other? Okay, it looks okay to me. Looks good to me. What else I will need is a flame. We will need a flame, so I really want to add a flame to it. Okay, and use the flame here so I can have this. Okay, I'm gonna shrink it down a little bit so it can go right here. I'm gonna send this back. Okay, just like that. So right now 2 candles are lit up, which is beautiful, and we can add little bows with foil balloons, heart to the small candles as well, because why not? So we're gonna use we can use gold, because why not? Okay, so what I'm gonna do here is just assemble a little bow. Perfect. Rotate by 90 degree, just like that. It's good. Okay, let's have a 50 shiny gold. It looks perfect here and here. Little bows. It's perfect. Not really. I really need to. Nope. Yep. Okay, so I'm gonna group this, make duplications, and we can add this here and here and here and here. So this, when only 2 candles are lit, it's gonna be the second Sunday from Christmas, according to our you know, elderly peoples. Okay, so accessories can go to extras. We have person, standing man. It can go to the back. Perfect. So you can see how big it's all going to be. Okay, so it's really simple candles and wreath with simple foil balloons, 1 meter star foil balloons, and with a few shiny golds and everything. And of course, as always, you can export the project list, you can export the element list and everything else with it. It's really easy. Export the element list. Okay, generating the PDF. I'm going to show you this, which is because I just want to show you for one reason, because what is not included is the balloons for the candles, because that's the background, which is 2 pictures, is the candles. Everything else is included here except the pictures. So you can see it's less than 200 balloons plus the safety margin with 210, but it's really not something you can't really do it. So that was me for today. I really hope you liked this decoration. It's a really simple one, but yeah, that was me, Gergo, for today. I really hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and see you on next Monday and see you on Tuesday live. As always, if you have any questions, please don't forget to leave a comment to us and ring the bell so you won't miss the next tutorial. Have fun and keep playing with balloons. If you have any questions, ask me. I will happily answer. Okay, goodbye.